Filtering and sorting possibilities. Hi, in this video, we're going to focus on the filtering and sorting options in Nozbe. These are useful when you have lots of tasks and lots of different projects. You can apply filters and sort tasks in a number of different places in Nozbe. Let's use the search results list from a previous tutorial first. Suppose I want to see only the tasks delegated to me. Now look at the filtering options again. The list of possible filters is much shorter now. That's because these are the only filters that can be applied to the results. Let's add another filter. Now, we have two filters added to this view. We can delete one of them using the X button next to the filter name. Remember, you can filter your tasks by categories, labels, delegation, project and due dates, among other things. And it's possible in every single task list in Nozbe. Filtering works in the project view, the calendar in the team view, and most importantly, within your priority list, since that is the place where you'll spend most of your time in Nozbe. Sorting works in the same places in the app. Note that the task order in all of your projects is synced. That's why the sorting option is not present and works pretty much like filters. When you turn it off, everything goes back to the previous order. You can sort your tasks in many ways. Apart from arranging them alphabetically, by due date or creation date, you can also sort your tasks by something like the number of comments. Like I said though, it's not a permanent change. You can turn off sorting using the X button. In the next video, we'll talk about working with Nozbe on mobile devices. Thanks for watching.